you know,
Yeah,
dance,
let's
smooth
say,
dance
let's say.
steps.
A
If
little
we can-
dance move.
Yeah.
I have to add a
We
little
can lighten up
fitness
a
with
bit.
it.
All right,
though.
guys, come on. Let's
We
do
have
this.
music or no?
Let's do this. We can do it. Just a little step, you know, so we can. If we can't be there, at least let's start from here.
Okay. Let me see.
Okay.
All right, you guys ready?
Yes, we're ready.
So we're gonna do something very, very easy.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna take 4 steps to the front.
Okay.
So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch down. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch down. Very easy.
All right, let's do
Okay.
it.
Let's go.
Ready? To the front? All right. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch down. Punch down. Punch down. Take it back. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch down. There you go. There you go. Go front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch down. Punch down. Go. Ifeanyi is getting it. Okay. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch down. Hey. There you go.
Oh, man. All right, guys, it's a wrap. Do remember to join us again when we analyze all the trending business issues. Remember, if it's not trending, it's not business unusual. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good night.
All right, guys.
Oh, finally.
Oh,
Thank
man.
you so much, Rhea. Thanks for your
Thank you, guys.
time.
That was fun.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
I hope I did well. Thank
You did very well, more than well.
Thank you, Drea.